Who is Julia Child and why am I mentioning her at the start of this video? And why is this recipe still being served in some of the best restaurants in the world?
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.
I'm going to coarsely cut this. And as you can see, it's pretty coarsely cut, so that's what we're doing. That's one of the ingredients done. The next thing we'll do is we'll ground the peppercorns in this mortar and pestle. There it is, it's all ground. So we've got the onions, we've got this, we'll put this aside. This will go later to coat the filet mignon or the eye fillet. The smell from this freshly ground pepper is amazing. The onions are nice and tender now. Now, I know I've cut them coarsely, some people cut them finely. Why did I cut them coarsely? Well, they're going to release their flavour, but I also want the texture of the onion in the sauce. It's nice and tender. Now we noticed I haven't added any salt. The Worcestershire sauce that goes in later is salty. I'll adjust the salt then. Oh, the flavour already. Oh, wow. No wonder this recipe's been around for almost 100 years. The sauce is thickening, definitely thickening. It's on a very gentle simmer. Now, if I stop it now, it'll be a great sauce. I'm going to push it because I don't want a great sauce. I want an unbelievably excellent sauce. I want it better than a great sauce. See how the sauce is sticking to the back of the spoon? Well, I want it to stick even more than that. Now, you don't rush it. I'm not rushing this. I'm really taking my time with it. We're back. The sauce has thickened to a consistency that I like. Can you see how it sticks to the back of the spoon? That's what I want. Test to see if it needs seasoning. And It does not need seasoning. So switch this off, set it aside, and we'll get back to it when we use it. I have got a beautiful piece of eye fillet, very tender, amazing piece of meat. And I'm going to cut this into three, I think there and there. Three equal pieces of steak. Nice clean cut. And there we have beautiful bit of meat that's so tender. I'm going to add a little bit of salt on this side. So just salt it. Gently salt it. Don't want to put too much. And here's the steak in all its glory. So I'm going to smother it with sauce now. And let's cut this bit off and see what it looks like inside. Oh, it's so tender. Julia Child is one of my culinary heroes. She wasn't a chef, she was a cook, an extraordinary cook. She popularized this dish and many other French dishes back in the 50s and made them accessible to people. There's also a reason why this recipe is still being served today. It is delicious, it is amazing, it is elegant, it is just... you serve this with some glazed carrots or some potatoes, whatever. But never ever, whatever you serve it with, let it take over what this steak is. Yes, you can make this at home. I've just shown you how step by step. It's not hard. Just take care, be passionate about it, what you're cooking, because you're going to be serving it to the people that you love. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now. This is Alex.
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.